Chickens, chickens. There they are. I've had this hay in my truck for like 5 days. Time to finally get rid of it. Oh, it's pretty waterlogged. These things end up weighing like 100 pounds. Oh, Jesus. So we had a greenhouse here, but we get this crazy wind off of the river, 60, 70 mile an hour gust. And we came home one day, the thing was just over on that side of the yard, all bent up. So we got to build something a bit more permanent. Hey girls. No eggs today. Chickens, chickens. There they are. The black ones, we call them the Marvins because we got them from my neighbor named Marvin. That's Gladdy. That's Millie. She's molting, so she looks a little rough. We're gonna be getting a new coop for them. I built this one myself, and we're gonna convert it into a shed, but I just didn't know what I was doing, and we're gonna get them one that's a bit more secure because we're having some rat issues right now. So, but, yeah.